Itong mga bullstag ni Boss Marvin mga kakugi, galing Negros to. Ang nandito na available niya is 12 na lang. Kanina 14 yan, pero dinala yung dalawa eh. Pero pag may mag-order pa boss, pwede pa tayo makakuha doon sa kaibigan mo sa Negros.
Oh, pwede.
Yun.
Pwede. Golden Boy and Aber Kelso. Pwede pang pipe, pwede pang
Material. Yun. Good morning mga kakugi. Another day, another blessing na naman. Guys, pauwi na kami sa syudad. Ang team kakugi, daan mo na kami dito sa Pabukid sa May Karkar. Breakfast, tala na rin, pananghalian mga kakugi. So, yan, pakita ko sa inyo yung, ano yung order namin ngayon. Okay. Morning Pabukid. Good morning.
Good morning. Walang tulog kakugi kasi kuan nabaguhan sa lugar. Hindi nakatulog na maayos.
Kiyawa na eh. Sir, Pep. Morning.
Kakugi. Ako tulog. Tulog ka pamagang nagising. Magang gumising.
As usual. Alright. Ito guys, ito yung order ko. Ulo ng kambing. Tapos kay Sir Pepe, tinula.
Tubig lang kayo?
Imo hasad. Saan na yung matit? Ano na?
Tinula.
Tinula.
May sili, boss? May sili, ba?
Guys, let's eat. Sarap ng nakain kong ano guys. Ulo ng kambing. Masarap ang timpla dito sa Pabukid. Yan o. Pabukid Restaurant. Yun. Mga kakugi, pauwi na kami. Tapos dumaan lang kami muna dito sa sa Naga.
Hello.
Kay Rick Smith.
Hello.
Check natin yung niya, yung mga manok niya na isasali para sa Sukol Part 2. Tsaka tingnan na lang din natin kung ano yung mga available niya guys. Kasi last time na nagpunta tayo dito, may mga sisiyo na siya. Baka may mga harvest na ngayon. Baka may mga naka-cord na ng mga bago. Yan ang titingnan natin ngayon. Isa, update lang natin. Tapos yan, kwentuhan. Okay ka lang, Titboy? Wala gidagat?
Kailang mga kakugi.
No probs.
Holiday ngayon dito.
Kaya basta holiday, farm visit day.
Kasi do you love me? Na 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 na.
Yan, hinihintay natin na ano, buksan ni Mr. Smith. Diyan kami galing mga kakogi. Galing kami sa ano, Dumanhog. Ayan, pinabuksan na. Let's enter the pasok. Let's enter the pasok.
Mana siguro?
Dahil dito.
Dahil nagabang siguro na siya.
Oh.
Patara Rick Smith eh.
Mr. Hulk Hogan. Uyab-uyab nila ng
Ay,
dalawa.
murag kuan eh. Sige. Naik ka ng kuan ba? Kanang ipakuan na niya dito ba?
Borders. Ito. Hello, Mr. Smith. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, long time no see.
Couple months. We still.
According to the people in Mandawi, you look like Hulk Hogan.
Uh-oh. Well, if we can fight like Hulk, we'll be all right, right?
They will try to beat you. It's coming May too.
We're going to try to beat them.
Yeah.
They're giving you a nickname, Hulk Hogan.
Hulk Hogan.
Well, if we get them roosters to fight. Yeah. Well, that's good. I'm glad they recognize us at least, right?
Yes. You will be one of the highlights in our Sokol
Well,
Derby.
we think we got some pretty good roosters for them coming
Yeah.
up. You know,
Hopefully this time we will win the championship.
I hope so.
Yeah.
I think
Almost. Last time.
almost. One short.
Yeah.
We'll get there this time, I think. We got good roosters.
Yeah.
They're acting real well right now. Still got a couple weeks to go, but
Are those rosters new or
no, they'd
just
be
the same?
two sweaters and two blacks.
Newly bought.
Well, they're fresh. They've never been fought, but basically the same bloodline we fought last time.
Okay.
bloodline.
How old are
They're
they?
going a little bit younger than I like. They're probably 17 months old, 16 months old.
Oh.
You know, so not as old as I would like for them to be in a cockfight.
Yeah.
But then
But
again,
the
you know,
chance, the probability of winning is there.
they show good. I got. I mean, they spar out real well. They're a little bit mean right now. You know, they're going through that stage.
Yeah.
But we get that tamed out of them, and I think we got a shot.
Yeah, we still have more or less 24 days, 23 days more
so
to
I'm a little bit
go.
early on them, but
Yeah.
got them up there in the fly pens right now.
This time we will give a plaque or trophy for the champion.
That'd be great. Yeah. Well,
For memorabilia.
we want to put that in the wall.
Yeah.
I hope so. I hope I get one of them. That's right. You know, I like the trophy as much as the money.
Yeah. That's true.
I mean, it's not about so much money. It's about having good roosters and you know, being able to show people that you have good roosters.
Correct.
You can display in your
In the office in there, right.
I saw newly corded chickens
Yeah,
there.
we about
Are
got-
those your breeding already?
Well, we're through hatching in the incubator. We've hatched out incubator last week, but I still have some hens setting that will come off in the next couple of weeks.
Yeah.
But basically through breeding for the year.
For the year.
Yeah.
How many chicks you produce already?
I'm probably going to end up with around 70 stacks.
70 stacks.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, that's not
That's
as many as
for-
we wanted, but
That 70 stacks that's easily sold.
yeah. Well, I sold a bunch. I did. I sold everything we hatched in November. Done sold them out.
They old or what?
Yeah, we sold them since the last video.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they were, you know, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks old.
Yeah.
All those were
Everything sold out.
December hatch, most of them sold. And I said, well, I got to keep some. So I quit selling some of them.
Is it okay? I will
You can
take
walk
videos
around
there.
all you want. Yes,
Huh?
sir.
Are those chickens there for sale?
Yeah, they're all for sale. There's a
How-
price
how
on
many are
everything. There's probably 25 over there right now, maybe. Some are young stags that I just tied out. And
Already
then there's some
banded?
tops. Yeah,
Banded already?
No, not banded. I haven't got no one over here to band yet.
Ah, Sir
So-
Tep. Walay makapabanding diri sa iya ba? Ato na lang i-appeal isakay sa ato.
How old is your
I have some that would be December till now.
December born?
Yeah.
Wala na. Pero napamay karon. How about January and February board?
I got a bunch of January, February.
Pwede pa,
so I got
mapapasa.
December, January, February, March.
That's national.
National born.
National. Yeah.
Oh, no.
Tikmaan.
Kontakan na lang si Kuan.
And I got most of them separated. I'll show you. Most of them are separated out, ready for banding.
Sige, sige. I'll go with you there.
Sure.
But I'll take some
You
videos.
go right ahead. You do what
Muna.
we walk through there if you
Ah,
want.
sige, ara sa counter dire. Guys, pakita namin sa inyo yung mga bagong naka-cord ni Boss Rick. These are the produce of Mr. Rick Smith as of December. Ay, hindi. Pamaning. Ah.
Just bought that one 3 weeks ago.
This one? You bought this?
We fought him. We fought him 3 weeks ago.
Ah, okay.
He win unscathed.
Askat. The gray one.
That's great. That's my brood dog.
Good stuff.
Yeah. He win. Won the last fight we had.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's the winner.
Oh, Sukol winner. Sweeter. All corded chickens here are for sale.
Yeah, I mean, all but my brood stuff would be for sale. I don't want to
Okay.
sell my brood cocks, but unless somebody wants them bad.
Okay.
Money talks. You know,
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
But yeah, they're for sale. We hope to breed enough to be able to fight and sell for next year. Like I said, they don't get business. About 70 stags is all I got out, but hopefully I can accumulate more for the next year. We're trying to get set up already for next season.
Very much.
Yeah, so yeah, they're for sale. We don't sell them, we'll fight them.
Yeah.
We'll do something with them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's little white Kelso cock,
Yes,
one-time
this
winner.
is the white Kelso.
He's a one-time winner.
White Kelso, one-time winner. According to Mr. Smith, if anybody is interested to buy, it would be for sale. White Kelso.
This is some of my offspring for this year. The Dom Cross.
Oh, these are new. Oh, you are building new brother.
These will be for brood pens, yeah.
Yeah.
Got a good start on them.
Oh. So you're doing this alone?
Yeah, pretty much.
Very much.
Pretty much.
DIY? It's easy.
A little bit at a time.
Yeah.
That's for next season. We're trying to get set up.
So yun guys, oh, gawa-gawa lang ni ano, oh. Boss Rick. Brood pen. maganda talaga dito sa area ni Rick Smith mga kakogi, kasi ang dami pang space na pwedeng malagyan ng mga facilities. Inuunti-unti lang niya kasi siya lang naman ang nagtatrabaho mga kakogi, gumagawa. For example, yung pinakita niya kanina na brother pen, siya lang gumawa niyan. At itong ibang mga ganitong mga pens, si Mr. Smith lang din ang gumagawa. So unti-unti makumpleto tong facilities niya mga kakogi. At saka marami pa, malaki pang space, marami pang pwedeng mapaglagyan. Katulad na lang dito, pwede pang cording area to, pwede rin mga facilities katulad no, addition. Kasi ngayon guys, alam naman natin si Mr. Smith walang trabaho yan dito. Siguro may pensyon siya. Yung pensyon niya, tapos yung negosyo niya sa pagmamanok, talagang tinutuloy-tuloy niya dito. Alam naman natin last time na nabisita natin siya, na talagang he's into ano talaga, game fowls. Kaya pagdating niya dito sa Cebu, tinutuloy-tuloy na niya mga kakogi. Tsaka marunong si Mr. Smith, marunong siya sa breeding at marunong din siya sa conditioning and handling. Almost muntik na siyang mag-champion last time, and hopefully sabi niya baka this coming May 2 mag-champion na siya mga kakogi. Yan. Thank you Mr. Smith, thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.
So we're going now.
We'll see you in a couple of weeks.
Yeah.
Huh?
May 2.
You tell everybody, hey, Hulk Hogan's coming.
Yeah, that's true. Just wait guys, Hulk Hogan of Cebu is coming.
We'll have fun.
Yeah, that's true.
Be safe.
Be safe, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir Smith, you are very famous in the Galera de Mandawi. You have the nickname Hogan.
Hulk Hogan.
We'll try to prove ourselves.
Thank you. Yun, almost ready na yung mga manok ni Mr. Smith. Yan, daanan na namin guys, kaya binisita lang namin for update. Yun. Hello guys, good morning mga kakogi, magandang araw, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Another day, another blessing na naman mga kakogi. Guys, andito tayo ngayon sa Babag, Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. May tayo guys, may bibisitahin tayo. Isang kaibigan natin dito sa Team Kulo. Yan. So guys, mga kakogi, tabayanan nyo ang buong episode na ito. Mayroon tayong mga ipapakita kayo na mga gandang mga bull stag. Baka magustuhan nyo. Alright. Yun. Nas Bamingga. Yan. Dito tayo sa area ng Team Kulo. Asang marahaming. Mayang buntag. Sama na yung manghihiwa da.
Manok.
Ha? Para manok na. Ya. Bos, mayang buntag. Mayang buntag. Busy kayo sa. Itong area nito na bisita natin, matagal-tagal na, 1 year na siguro mahigit, boss no? Boss Mars. Yun, kita na po.
Oh, na yung mga new arrival, Boss Al.
Ay, mga new arrival.
Oh, mga
asa nagikan?
Golden Boy, gikan Negros.
Negros nagikan?
Oh, Golden Boy o kuan, Aber Kilso.
Aberkilso. Yun. Tingnan natin yung mamaya.
May mga mapipilian yung mga mga kakugi. Oh, mga kakugi natin.
Yun na yung mga bull stag, boss no?
Oh, bull stag.
Isa pala sa mga sadya natin guys, kaya tayo napunta dito kasi sabi ni Boss Baamel, mayroon siyang available dito na mga 15 piraso yata na bull stag na i-out ngayon. So yun sinabi niya kanina, galing sa Negros daw yung mga sweater at saka yung Aberkelso. Yan. Tsaka may na tayo dito mga buyers, mga kapitbahay nila. boss? Anong bloodline niya?
Aber Kelso.
Aber Kelso.
Oh, regular size. Red wine, yung kulay white legs. Typical na ano.
Kelso talaga. Ilang piraso ba ito, boss? Ano na?
14 yung total, pero may nakabili na. So 12 na lang, so yun.
Dalawa yung nakuha kanina.
Oh, so we encourage yung kung sino yung mga kakugi natin dyan, punta na kayo, or if hindi kayo makapunta, just message Sir Al. Yung nandito is mga ano talaga to, quality na Golden Boy and Aber.
Yes.
Aber Kelso from my good friend sa Negros. Shout out kay Sir Darrell. Yung mga sisimula, pwedeng pang material. Pwede pang fight, pwede pang material. Kasi high station.
nadaanan natin si boss. Tapos ang ganda ng mga for sharing niya, mga kakugi. Yun lang talaga ang sadya natin. Kasi may mga subscriber tayo na nagtatanong kung meron ba tayong mga stags at saka bull stag. Ito na yun. Hindi pa yun, naghahanap sa atin, boss. Talagang naghahanap sila ng cocks. Number one, yung mga hinahanap ng buyer is yung mga cocks. Tapos kaubusan na kasi.
Nagkaubusan na.
Tapos yung mga stag naman, wala na rin kasi papasok na yung mga bagong mga manok. So, yun. Itong mga bull stag ni Boss Marvin, mga kakugi, galing Negros to. Ang nandito na available niya is 12 na lang. Kanina 14 yan, pero dinala yung dalawa eh. Pero pag may mag-order pa boss, pwede pa tayo makakuha
Pwede,
doon sa,
pwede.
sa kaibigan mo sa Negros.
Oh, pwede.
Yun.
Pwede.
Mm.
Yun, Golden Boy and Aber Kelso. Pwede pang fight, pwede pang
Material. Yun. Usually pag pang material boss 50-50 maganda boss na.
Oh, 50-50, pero ang sabi niya, itong mga Aber, kasi nilalaban nila pure.
Tama.
So, yung nandito, medyo, I think pure pa to kasi typical na Kelso. Wine red and white legs.
So yun guys. So itong mga available ngayon na nandito lang to sa may Barangay Babag. Pwede nyo ma-contact si boss, ma-inquire nyo, tapos kontakin nyo lang yung niya. Sa Facebook lang boss, no?
Oh,
Messenger.
pwede rin kay Boss
Pwede
Al.
rin. Pero usually kami, pabiyagahin naman gud niya. Oo.
Sige.
So ito na lang. Pwede kayong mag-ano sa akin, tapos i-relay ko na lang kayo kay boss. Pero just in case, ito yung Facebook account ni Boss Marvin. Yan. Pwede kayong mag-message sa kanya guys. Pwede rin kabaming.
Pwede rin kay
Oh.
Bombing, kay Jerk.
Yun.
Ito yung mga
Yung mga kulo boys. Yan yung mga boys dito guys Oh. Right Mga amor yung mga action stuff pwede nang takahimog sa lida ni. Daghan na. Ha? Pwede nang takahimog sa lida ni no? So yun guys. Kontak kayo agad. 12 lang ito na nandito ngayon. Murang-mura lang. 5,000. Pag isa-isa, dala-dalawa kukunin nyo. Pero pag ubusin lahat, baka may
discount.
bawas pa.
May discount.
Yun. So guys, yun lang sadya natin dito ngayon. Boss, diretso lang ko.
Thank you.
Tuloy. So guys, marami pa tayong gagawin. Magmi-meeting pa kami nila Sir Stephen, yung Team Kakugi para sa biyahe namin papuntang south. Kasi holiday man.
April 9.
Sa Asma holiday. Saka yung biyahe namin papuntang Luzon. At syempre, wag niyong kalimutan, May 2, Sukol Dapod, Paderby sa Kakugi. 3 cacks yan. So, kita-kita tayo mga Kakugi.
Sokol mga kakugi.
Sukol.